What's up, everybody? And today we have a new install, and we're actually doing this right now where you guys need to have like a before and after type of thing. So this interior light, it really blows. And then we're going to be installing this guy, the OLM, I don't know, makes your fucking light a lot brighter. So we're going to do that. So I'm going to cut it right here, and then I'm going to show you how to basically install this. The best way I have found to get this guy undone is you're going to need some type of flathead. So you're basically just going to pop, there's two little indentions here, you can't miss it. You're basically going to pop it in, and then you're going to kind of just pop it. It's real simple, and that's all it really is. And just like that, it falls right on your fucking camera. Now, it might be a little bit difficult to see this. Let's see if I can turn this baby down a bit. Okay. So there's a little basically flap right here that holds the bulb in place. All you really need to do that is just push this down, and that bulb will come right out. So essentially just put it right back into place. Now this has a little black top that's on it, so if I flip this, you can tell there's a little black part on it. So when you're driving, this is going to flip up where the light's going to be pointing up. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be doing that purposefully, but I wish it would be like that because it'd be fucking super bright. But it doesn't. It just likes to flip on because it has this heavy black piece on it. But yeah, I mean, that's kind of how it looks. I'm hoping this is a little better before and after type of thing. It's not very yellow at all, and it's very bright white. So this is a nice addition to your cosmetic wise. You can see outside the door as well. I guess you really can't see it too much. It's pretty dark out, but it's awesome. I mean, it's super freaking bright. Everything is really bright inside the car. So hopefully, it was like literally $8, guys. And it was really simple. It's 30-second install. So I hope you guys all enjoyed the video. It's pretty simple, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.